and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you to Chicago's O'Hare International Airport. Local time is 12:16. That's the Central Time Zone. We'll be taxiing for the next few minutes, so please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and all items stowed until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Please make sure you have all of your personal belongings before you exit the aircraft, and be careful when opening overhead compartments. You're now free to use your mobile phones and small lightweight devices. Once again, our arrival gate today is C27 in Terminal 1. On behalf of United, our Star Alliance partners, and your entire flight crew, thank you for flying the friendly skies with us today. We hope you've had a pleasant experience, and we look forward to welcoming you again on another United flight. I'd like to wish everyone a very pleasant afternoon.